Hey everyone, so hope all of you are doing well. In Riyadh here during my work break, I'm going to the Jareer store in Panorama Mall to get a mobile holder for my car. The last ones that I ordered from Temu, they are out of order. Actually, both of them. I ordered these ones. That's what I'm using to make the POV videos. But well, it turned out they didn't last that long, and they actually hold your mobile like this. See, you can put it up there. It's a vacuum mobile holder. You remove the air from it. So anyways, it didn't turn out to be great, so now I'm going to Panorama Mall at the Takhasusi Street. So just tag along. It's another POV video. So guys, we are going out of Sharafia here in Riyadh, and in the far distance I can actually see the Kingdom Tower. I'm not sure if the mobile is giving scenes of it. Now it's covered behind those trees. So let us take a turn. Actually the crossroads here, it's sort of dangerous because traffic is coming from four sides and it's like a narrow one, and there are like blind corners. Be very mindful when you are driving. Let me know, have you been here actually? Let me know down in the comments. There's a speed breaker. So I'm commuting to Panorama Mall, and since I'm at work, so I'll have to come back before the break ends. So the Panorama Mall is almost, I think, 5 kilometers, and it will take maybe 10 minutes to reach over there, but we shall see. Yeah, it's 4.4 kilometers and 9 minutes from here. Let me just check the map. Yeah, okay, not that far. Have you been to the Panorama Mall at Takhasusi Street? So the signal, it turned green. So the mobile got overheated, but anyways, we are now near Panorama Mall, and we have to find a parking, inshallah. I can take this next U-turn, or I can take the one that is near the signal up ahead, but anyways, seems like I might go with this one. There is a spot for entrance. I think I should go for the basement. Guys, we have two options. One is this, and the other one we have this option. This one cost 99 riyals, and this one will cost me 249. But well, the results on the channel are amazing, and I think I need to give you a better experience. And this one, I'm not sure if it's a vacuum system or not, because here it's nothing mentioned like that, how to hook this one onto, or how it will latch onto the screen. But well, seems like someone tried to open it. It's not supposed to open. Anyways, this one, this is using a vacuum system, and I didn't have a good experience with the vacuum system before, even though the one on Temu cost me 20 Riyal or something. But this one, it doesn't seem to have a vacuum system, but this one has. Let's see what I decide. Guys, I got the one that says 249. Seems like it's a better MagSafe experience with my iPhone. It will help us eventually in one way or the other. Now I'm going to actually this Virgin Megastore. It's actually closed. Anyways, time to go from here. At the Virgin Megastore, I was trying to see if I could find a wireless mic, but it's closed right now. So I'll go back to work. I'm gonna remotely switch on the car. Come on. Yeah. It's giving me a few options. I can put it like this on the screen, or I can put it like this. Both seem fine because I have this screen over here. I can put on the back of this, or I could place it up over here. And by the way, I came close to Jarir. I didn't go into the basement. We have, this is also a vacuum system. See, and this is some other stuff that I can put on there, and these are the instructions. Deciding whether I should put there, here, or up over here. Guys, these will be the scenes if I put it over here. Actually, let me turn it sideways, and let me zoom out as well. Okay. And what if I put it up here? And here I will have to actually make it like this. So just a little bit of review. This is not sticking on well over here, but regularly from my Temu order I had these ones. So I'll put it on this. I'll actually place it back over there with this one, and then I will this is a binding tape, you can see. Then this is the plastic on which this vacuum can stay. Okay guys, after work I'm back to my car and I'll show you what's the POV like. I actually adjusted it here. It was quite challenging, and if I didn't have the one I showed you, the placement sticker, this double-sided tape that I got from Temu, this wouldn't have been possible. So this is how it looks. It got glued here. Although this was not my preference, I wanted it somewhere up the screen, but this is how it actually looks. So see guys, that's our new POV scenes. Okay, inshallah we'll meet in the next video. Right now I'm going to gym, and well, on Prince Turki Road, and inshallah I'll show you along the way. Okay guys,